Okay, guys, I wanted to show you that a fix that I found that helped me. Not saying it's going to help everybody, but it did help me. If you're having the loading screen crash, all I did was install Service Pack 1, and now for some reason the game loads and it plays fine. I'll go to a server here, the Buffalo, and get permission to that. And you can see that we'll open up the game window here. I've got it set to run in a window. And we got game sounds. And it's still loading. You can see down here that it still says loading level, like before. And now it's playing Battlefield 4 beta on PC, and you can see the window's not frozen, it's still working. And the sound's still going, and then in a second it'll load up to the map. And there it is. Hope this helps somebody. Install Service Pack 1. All your updates for Windows.